Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to display milliseconds in VLC on Windows. So firstly, if you need millisecond precision, what you can do is you can follow the instruction. Firstly, you need to open your VLC. Make sure you have already opened the video here. And next is you need to go to this view icon in the top here. And from here, what you need to do is over here you might find get time icon here as it is not shown here. And from here, you can simply display the timestamps in the format. And next is you can use the frame stepping. You can pause the video. Once you play the video, you need to simply pause the video and you need to press E to advance one frame at a time for frame accurate navigation. And that is it. That is how you can display the millisecond in VLC on Windows. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.